All right, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the second part of step 700, which is 700.1, which will be our 700-1 branch, and we'll complete the rest of our snowman. In this step, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, create our branch, make sure our environment's set up, which we have our local host open and ready to go. We have our sample open and available to us. Agabus hosting ready there. Control panel logged in case we need to do anything there. And we have our production site up, and we can see we have our branch 700-0, which has been merged to master and pushed to production. We're good there. And now we have our repo or Git repository, and all looks well there. We have our GitHub pages, and we are good to go. We are set and ready to go. So at this point, we'll go ahead and make sure our Dreamweaver is open. Another thing we want to do while we're inside of Dreamweaver is make sure that we're in the right folder, we're connected to our web server so we don't have to stop and do that later, and check and make sure that we're on our master branch, which we are. So everything is all ready to go. We're all good as far as being prepared and ready to work. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and create our branch. To create our branch, we'll go ahead and we'll do a clear here. We're on master, and we want to make sure that we do a git status. And we can see our Dreamweaver notes, and the way we deal with that for now, we'll learn how to deal with this differently later, but for now we're just going to do a git add dot. If you end up with these, you might not have them, and a git commit, and I just put in my git commits for the Dreamweaver nodes, just commit DW nodes. So if I run a git status now, I'm good. I can see I'm one ahead of origin master just because of those notes, and we'll hold off on that. No need to go ahead and do a push at this point for that. What we do want to do is we want to git branch -a and check and just make sure we can see our 700 branch is there and our master, and we're going to go ahead and create our 700-1 branch. Checkout, and we're going to use git checkout -b to create a branch, and we're going to say 700-1, and we now have our 700-1 branch created. We're good to go. Let's just go make sure that it updated in Dreamweaver. We can see that it's created there, and at this point we are good to get started. So I'll see you in the next video where we'll put the face and the hat on our snowman.